Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this wired headphone to iPhone using Portronics iKonnect C Pro Type C to 3.5 mm female aux connector. This is the connector. As I said, this has this 3.5 mm female port. In this female port, we can connect wired headphone. And this is the Type C pin. This pin we can connect to iPhone. First I am going to connect this 3.5 mm audio pin of the headphone to 3.5 mm female port of the connector. So let me connect like this. Done. After that, this Type C pin we can connect to iPhone. Okay, done. After that we can play some music in iPhone. That should work. This way we can connect wired headphone to iPhone using this Portronics iKonnect C Pro connector. Okay, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.